Okay, hey folks, Terry Brown here. I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments of your time to check out my webpage today, and welcome you to Life's Better Solutions. Okay, and what we're about is financial solutions for real estate investors and small business owners, and those looking to get some money even if you are a self-employed worker. Okay, so if you need money, you have landed at the right place by coming to this video. And when you come here to this web page, you'll be at the right place as well. Okay, and we also have some other services that may interest you. Now, I have partnered with individuals and entities that literally, have millions of dollars to lend, and I want to assist you in getting the necessary monies that you need to fund your projects, if you need money, we've got the money. Do you have a good deal? All right, then we can more than likely get money for you. Now, private money brokers are intermediaries who bring together private money individuals and institutions and real estate investor borrowers seeking short-term funding for non-owner occupied real estate transactions. And small business loan brokers obtain business cash flow loans, equipment loans, expansion loans, new construction loans, and other types of small business financing. So again, I want to invite you to my webpage at lifesbettersolutions.com. And I'm going to leave the link in the description area of this video. But let me just show you a couple things real quick before I close this video out. And as you can see here, we say get funding today. Number one, real estate quick apply, commercial loans, equipment application, working capital, business loan, quick app, and more. You'll find it here at this link. Easy, fast gig worker, or self-employed funding, small business capital, customer finance, and payment processing. Simple requirements for all of our funding programs. And this is how it works with the gig worker funding. Applying and receiving your cash is fast and simple. No fees to apply, and this will not affect your credit score. Simple requirements: 3,000 plus monthly bank revenue, and 3+ months in business. Now that was for the gig worker funding. And then when you go to our website, our corporate websites, you'll be able to see all of the details for the different types of fundings that we do offer. Now, let me just share this with you really quickly before I close out. And you may have interest in credit repair. And our credit repair service is a leading provider of credit report repair services for consumers within the United States. Our company was established in 1997 and has helped over 80,000 consumers in all 50 states improve their credit reports and increase their credit scores. They are a licensed and registered credit services organization with an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, and 0 complaints within the last 3 years. And so you'll click here, for the credit repair service information, and you can get started there if you're so inclined to do so. Now, have you ever thought about buying some land online? This is an incredible opportunity and an incredible service. Okay, and so you can buy land online, and the company was founded in 2004. It adds meaning to lives through financed land ownership. Okay, it's easy to buy land online with low down payment financing. Bank loans are hard to get on rural lands. Let your dreams come true. Buy land instantly with a no credit check loan. All right, and so you'll simply come here for that. Okay, I want to thank you for checking out my video. Okay, here at www.lifesbettersolutions.com. I'm going to leave the link so you can access this page. I'm going to leave that link in the description area of this video. My name is Terry Brown, and I'm a private money lender for real estate investors. I'm also a small business loan broker. So if you need money, you've landed at the right place by checking out this video, and when you come to this page, you'll be at the right place as well. And don't forget, we have other services that may interest you. So again, I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful, magnificent day today. Bye-bye now.